Hi, I'm Dr. Manisha Dikshit from Pranayatan Ayurveda, and today I'm going to discuss with you about knee joint pain. Knee joint pain is a common problem. It may be due to ligament injury, ligament tear, rheumatic arthritis, osteoarthritis, obesity, and also due to age factor. In this video, I will tell you about the degenerative changes in knee and how we can re-lubricate the joints. The best part of this video is that you can do this procedure on your own at home. So don't worry about knee joint pain. Just watch this video. Nowadays, many people are suffering from osteoarthritis. They have severe pain in joints, painful movement, swelling, etc. Mostly painkillers, calcium, physiotherapy or other anti-inflammatory medicines are given in such type of cases. Many times, knee replacement surgery is also advised, which is not practically affordable for everyone. So what is the treatment? According to Ayurveda, Januvasti is a very effective therapy for such type of problems. It is a local procedure, not surgical. It is a type of Panchakarma therapy. In Panchakarma, Vasti is given by oil or by decoction. But in Januvasti, we use different type of oils like Mahanarayan Tel, Narayan Tel, Mahavishgarbha Tel, Prasarani Tel, Sahachar Tel, Shirbala Tel, Bala Tel, etc. Or you can use simply sesame oil in this Januvasti. Janu. Janu is a Sanskrit word which means knee. Januvasti means the procedure which is done on knee joint. This is due to increased in Vata dosha. When the Vata dosha increased, it reduces the lubrication of the joint. The main purpose of the treatment is to reduce Vata dosha and to increase lubrication of knee joint so that the pain of knee joint can also reduce. Now, we should understand the anatomy of the knee joint. The knee joint is made up of two bones. Number one, femur bone, which is a bone of thigh region, and number two is tibia, which is a bone of lower leg. They connect as a joint. There is meniscus in between the joint known as medial meniscus and lateral meniscus, which act as a cushion for your knees. When lubrication reduces, then the meniscus rub together and cause swelling, stiffness and pain during the movement. The material used in Januvasti is urad dal. It is a main ingredient of this Januvasti because urad dal is lubricative in nature. Take some urad dal and make a powder. The second one is oil. Oil is also used for lubrication. You can use Narayan Tel, Mahanarayan Tel, Shirbala Tel, Bala Tel, Prasarani Tel, Sahachar Tel or Til Tel as I described earlier. The next one is gauze or cotton pieces and the other one is syringe. Cotton or gauze pieces and syringe are used to squeeze out the oil from the Januvasti. Now, what is the procedure of the Januvasti? First of all, take 100 to 150 gram of urad dal powder in a bowl. This is a quantity for a medium size knee. Now take some warm water. Pour this warm water into the powder and make a dough which should not be soft. The dough is ready now. Make it a cylindrical form and smoothen it. Make a frame which is fit for your knee. Then join the open ends. Januvasti may be performed any time of the day. It may be carried out at 4 different locations over the knee joint. The patient is asked to lie down straight. The supine position of the client with knee extended is ideal for treating the anterior of knee joint. When patient is ready, then a frame is made over the knee joint by using the paste of urad dal. This urad dal paste is approximately 3 inches in diameter and its height should be approximately 1.5 inches. Now, the gap between the skin and the paste is sealed by pressing this urad dal paste against the skin. It is a very important part because if you will not properly seal the joint, then the oil will be spread out. After that, oil is heated in a water bath up to 50 degrees centigrade. This oil is ready to pour into the frame. The upper level of the oil should be approximately 1 inch above the skin. It should be confirmed that the heat in the oil is tolerable. When oil gets cooled, it is taken out from the frame with the help of gauze. You can soak a piece of cotton cloth in the oil to remove and to add the oil. Alternately, you can use a spoon or you can use a syringe to remove oil. The needle of the syringe should be removed priorly. Fresh warm oil is then poured into the frame. This procedure of heating the knee with warm oil is continued for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then after removing oil, frame is also removed. You can use some water to remove the frame because urad dal is sticky in nature. Massage of knee is done in circular motion, clockwise and anti-clockwise fashion, covering the whole aspect of the knee joint for about 5 minutes. After this massage, client is asked to take rest for about 15 minutes. If you didn't have time to prepare frame, then directly soak cotton gauze in warm oil and put it on the knee. When it becomes cool, then soak this cotton gauze again in warm oil and put on the knee. You can do this process up to 20 to 30 minutes and after that massage the knee joint for 5 minutes. It will also lubricate your joint. At last, I will say that it is a very good procedure for knee joints. If you are suffering from osteoarthritis, try it once. You will definitely get relief. Thank you.